Hello everyone. If you want to pursue MBA in the top elite universities of the world, so this video is for you. In this video, we are going to discuss everything you need to know about the GMAT exam, that is Graduate Management Admission Test. First of all, if we talk about the test is a standardized test which you need to submit with your MBA application form. The scorecard for the test that you need to submit along with your application form. This test is taken around the world. You can take this test in a year 5 times and 8 times in your lifetimes. If we talk about the advantages of the GMAT test, in this test, they first of all test your analytical writing skills. इसमें क्या होता है? They see how you can analyze the writing of the topic and argument that is given to you. They see how good you are an analyzer and how good you can analyze the topic and you can write it down in your essay. Secondly, they test your integrated reasoning skills. इसमें वो आपका check करेंगे skills used to analyze and synthesize information. कोई भी आपको information दे दी जाएगी और वो आपको चेक करेंगे कि आप किस तरीके से उसको इस इन गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन को सिंथेसाइज कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट, क्वांट सेक्शन में वो आपके डेटा सफिशिएंसी एंड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स टेस्ट करने वाले हैं. एंड एट लास्ट, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द वर्बल सेक्शन में दे आर गोइंग टू टेस्ट योर रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन स्किल्स, हाउ गुड यू कैन कॉम्प्रिहेंड द गिवन पैसेज. वेरियस सेंटेंस करेक्शन स्किल्स आर ऑल्सो बी गोइंग to check in this section. So अगर आप एडमिशन लेना चाहते हो MBA में तो आपके इन स्किल्स को टेस्ट करा जाएगा, क्योंकि अगर आप एलीट बिजनेस स्कूल में जाना चाहते हो, एडमिशन लेना चाहते हो, so these parameters they are going to check and these are very important while seeking the admission. So you need to score really good in these all sections. So if we talk about the format of the exam, कि किस तरह से पैटर्न रहता है एग्जाम का, so we are going to see there are 4 sections in this exam. First of all is analytical writing, that comprises of one topic and you are allotted 30 minutes to complete the essay. You will be given an argument on which you need to write an essay. Secondly, if we talk about integrated reasoning consists of 12 questions and the time allotted is 30 minutes. And in this section, they are going to check your table analysis, 2-part analysis, various other analysis of the given graph or some or the other kind. Okay, next, if we talk about the quantitative reasoning, approximately 31 questions are going to be there and the time allotted will be 62 minutes for it. And in this section, data sufficiency and problem solving skills are going to be checked. At last, if we talk about the verbal reasoning section, it comprises of approximately 36 questions and the time allotted is 65 minutes for this section. And in this section, there will be a reading comprehension, that is a passage will be given to you that you need to comprehend and answer the questions. Next, sentence correction and critical reasoning will also going to be a part of this section. We are going to discuss some kind of patterns also, कि किस तरह के questions आते हैं हर सेक्शन में से, ताकि आपको थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया हो जाए कि किस तरह के क्वेश्चंस बनते हैं. नेक्स्ट, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, द टेस्ट स्कोर. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द सेक्शन वाइज टेस्ट स्कोर, द सेक्शन वाइज क्वांट स्कोर रेंज शुड बी बिटवीन 6 to 51. Verbal score range is between 6 to 51. IR score range is 1 to 8, and at last AVA, that is analytical writing score range, is between 0 to 6. This is the score range of the test. Next, we are going to talk about the quant section now. Quant section consists of two parts, that is problem solving and data sufficiency. These are the two types of questions that they are going to ask in the quant section. So if we talk about their three areas from where the questions are going to be asked in the quant section, that is maths. First of all, that will be arithmetic portion, algebra, geometry. If we talk about the arithmetic portion, you are going to prepare all these chapters for the arithmetic maths: number system, fractions and decimals, percentages, set theory, simple and compound interest, ratio and proportion, mixture and alligation, and probability. So these chapters are important in your arithmetic part. And if we talk about the algebra, permutation and combinations, algebraic expressions, exponents, quadratic equations and inequalities, these are the chapters that are going to be coming in algebra. And at last, if we talk about the geometry part, lines and angles, quadrilaterals, rectangles, solids and cylinders, and coordinate geometry are the important chapters of the geometry part. So if we talk about next, let's see what we have in the verbal reasoning. First of all, reading comprehension will become coming. So this is the sample for the reading comprehension. One passage will be given to you, and after reading that whole passage, finding the gist of the passage, you need to answer the given questions on the basis of the passage. Next one is critical reasoning. That is going to be the part of the verbal reasoning only. इसमें क्या होने वाला है, एक आपको कोई सिचुएशन दे दी जाएगी, उस सिचुएशन को आपने क्रिटिकली एनालाइज करके आंसर तक पहुंचना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ द गिवन ऑप्शंस विल बी प्रोवाइडेड. तो उसको देखते हुए आप आंसर तक पहुंचोगे. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज सेंटेंस करेक्शन. दैट इज द थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ द वर्बल रीजनिंग. इसमें आपको एक सेंटेंस दे दिया जाएगा, इनकरेक्ट पार्ट विल बी मार्क्ड, बोल्डेड और अंडरलाइंड इन दैट गिवन सेंटेंस, और उसमें आपको उसकी करेक्शन करनी होगी with the help of the given options. So this was about verbal reasoning, जिसमें 3 तरह के questions बनने वाले हैं. And if we talk about the integrated reasoning में आपको एक data in the form of bar graph, pie chart, उस तरह से आपको एक data provide कर दिया जाएगा. You will be given time for this integrated reasoning part separately, and you need to analyze this graph and answer the following questions after analyzing the graph. And if we talk about next, that is analytical writing. That is the major part of this exam, that is essay writing. Essay writing में आपको एक topic मिलेगा that you need to understand it thoroughly, and you need to write an essay on the given topic. आपको उस topic को लिखना होगा, maximum 250 words में आपको essay लिखना होगा. What we have next is total testing time. And the total time that they will give you to attempt all the 4 sections is 3 hours and 7 minutes. You will be given 3 hours and 7 minutes time. Separately section wise भी time मिलेगा, and collective time is 3 hours and 7 minutes. See, what we have next is test score range. The score range for this test is between 200 to 800. So the minimum scores are 200 and the maximum are 800. We are going to see that how much score is required in some of the famous universities. So if we talk about seeking admission in the elite universities of USA, United States of America की ये 10 टॉप elite universities में अगर आप MBA करना चाहते हो तो ये average GMAT का score आपको लाना पड़ेगा out of 800. The top one is Stanford GSB, that is 733. इसकी कट ऑफ एवरेज स्कोर रहा है लास्ट ईयर के एग्जाम का. तो ये कुछ आपके सामने 10 टॉप यूनिवर्सिटीज या कॉलेजेस हैं यूएसए के. एंड इफ वी टॉक अबाउट यूके, तो यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कैम्ब्रिज का जीमैट का रीसेंट स्कोर रहा था 680. एंड इफ वी टॉक अबाउट कनाडा, तो कनाडा की यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ टोरंटो का टॉप स्कोर रहा था एवरेज स्कोर जीमैट का, दैट इज 672. तो मेजरली बच्चे प्रेफर करते हैं यूएसए में जाना, वहां पर अपनी एमबीए को परस्यू करना. तो यू हैव ऑब्जर्व कि उसका स्कोर कितना हाई रहता है, अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 730 to 740 के बीच में रहता है. So you have to score really good marks if you want to pursue MBA in USA. So if we talk about next, the test score validity is for 5 years. अगर आप एग्जाम के लिए अपीयर होते हो तो जो आपका स्कोर कार्ड रहता है वो 5 years के लिए वैलिड रहेगा. And if we talk about next, the next one is test fee. Test fee is approximately $275 and that is approximately 20,600 इंडियन रुपीज. तो ये इंडिया से अगर आप एग्जाम के लिए अपीयर हो रहे हो तो आपको अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 20,600 रुपीज स्पेंड करने होंगे इस एग्जाम के लिए. Next, how the test is administered. So this test is totally computer based test. Computer based test हो रहा है ये. यहाँ पर centers हैं जहाँ पर आप इस test के लिए जाके appear होते हो and you can also give this if due to COVID situations ये घर पे भी allow कर दिया गया था कि आप घर से भी आप computer based test के लिए apply कर सकते हो. Might be there are slight changes about the test. तो ये यहाँ पर आप अपनी GMAT की वेबसाइट से चेक कर सकते हो कि if this home based test is also available now or not. Otherwise you have to go to the center and appear for the exam. So this was all about the GMAT exam. If you found the information given to you was authentic and you loved watching the video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends who are willing to appear for the GMAT exam. इस वीडियो में हमने सब कुछ डिस्कस करा है, पैटर्न से लेके फी स्ट्रक्चर तक, each and everything we have discussed in this exam. So this was all about today's video about the GMAT test. All the best everyone if you are preparing for GMAT. Best wishes from our side. So, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you everyone.